Hi everyone, welcome back to Flourish Road, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add patterns to some of our designs in Artist Lab. So let's get started. You click on sign in and then you sign into artco.org. You select your email address and then you sign in. Now to use Artist Lab, it is easy. Just click on the create button and then you select Artist Lab. We have Sprite Lab, we have Artist Lab, we have Art Lab. For now we're going to focus on Artist Lab. So let's click on Artist Lab and then we draw our shapes and then add patterns to shapes. Now let's say, for example, I want to draw a square. To draw a square, we've done that in the previous video. You can click on the link above to check on the video before you continue on this. But to draw a square, you can actually just click on actions. I'll be a bit fast here because we have a video about that. And then you select turn right. And then we go again, we repeat that step 4 more times like that. Move forward, turn right. Understanding the logic behind this, you need to check the video. Like I said earlier, you need to check the video to understand the logic. All right, so we turn right, move forward again, and then we turn right, and then we move forward for the last time. Now we've been able to draw our square, but this is not the focus on this video. The focus is how to add patterns and ensure that our design looks so attractive, you understand? But I want to say something that we repeated some steps like move forward, turn right, move forward, turn right, move forward. It's not needed. You don't have to repeat a step in programming. That's not a good practice. You can actually loop all those steps. Because we repeated this 3 times, we can actually loop all the steps 3 times. Come to loop, say repeat 3 times. What are we repeating? We're repeating move forward, turn right. Is that also? Just pick one out of all of this. So move forward, turn right, and then that's all. You could actually increase it around 4 times, and then we've drawn our square. So can you see the importance of using loops in our programming? It actually helps us reduce our number of our blocks of code. All right, now how do we add patterns to this design? To add patterns, you click on brush, and then you would see what? Set pattern. So this is what we want to set. See, set pattern. But now we want to set the pattern before we draw anything. If we add a pattern below the code, it won't run. It will not add a pattern for us. All right? Or okay, let's change it to love and run. It's not working because we need to first add a pattern, set the pattern before we run it. So you have to put that before you draw your code. And see, now it's working. But I really do not like this pattern. So let me pick something cool. All right, I don't really like this also. So you can select any pattern of your choice. So that is what I'm talking to you about. This is how to add pattern to your video, or to your, sorry, I said to your video, to your, how to add patterns to your artist, to your drawing. I want you to explore all of this, and then in the next video, I'll show you more stuff that you can do in Artist Lab. I hope you enjoyed this. If you enjoyed, please click on the like button, comment in the comment section below, tell your friends about this lovely channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay blessed and keep flourishing. Bye.